Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to change payment method in App Store. On your device, let's open Settings, and at the top, please tap your name. Now let's select Payment and Shipping section. And here on this page, you can add new payment method or delete existing ones. So to delete existing payment method, you need to tap Edit in the top right, and you can delete your payment method like that, and press Add Payment Method button, fill in that information, and this way you can add your new payment method. So yeah, that is basically it. That's how you change payment method in App Store. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.